We're St Edmund's Catholic Academy Eco Club.
Our project is to restore the wetlands near our school,
to create biodiversity, and to improve the well-being of our local community.
The area is very overgrown, meaning animals can't enjoy it.
the bridge is broken in desperate need of repair.
The wetlands help to manage flooding, so we require your aid.
We do a lot to look after our environment.
For example, we do litter picking. But unfortunately, we do not have the resources to restore this area.
The wetland is right next to the local nature reserve called Smestow Valley. It's Wolverhampton's biggest green space, and we're a local group that helps to look after it. So any benefit to the wetland will benefit the wider nature reserve too.
Friends of Smestow Valley wholeheartedly support the bid to improve this area. It's a main access route for the nature reserve, used by people of all ages, dog walkers, runners, bird watchers, cyclists. So it's a key route onto the nature reserve, so it's important that we improve access here.
The area is already quite rich in wildlife. There are watervoles, rails, smooth newts, lots of frogs, as well as foxes and badgers.
Our Eco Club is a group of passionate students who want to make a difference.
This really supports our mission as a Catholic school to look after the earth, our common home. And it's something we believe in, and Pope Francis certainly has made that very clear in his letter to the world, Laudato Si. So please support our bid.
Watervole, dragonfly,
Woodpecker,
Bat,
newt,
Frog,
fox,
kingfisher,
swan, deer,
badger.
Please vote for